Welcome to Technical Chat number 1, where we bring you the most honest and detailed tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Itel Zeno 10, a budget-friendly smartphone with impressive features. Is it worth your money? Let's find out in this complete review. Starting with the design, the Itel Zeno 10 comes with a sleek and lightweight build. It measures 164 millimeters in height, 76 millimeters in width, and 9 millimeters in thickness, making it easy to hold and carry around. The phone weighs 186 grams, striking a good balance between sturdiness and comfort. Itel has introduced this phone in 2 gorgeous colors, opal purple and phantom crystal, both giving a premium and stylish vibe despite its budget-friendly nature. The Zeno 10 features a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display, which is large enough for enjoying videos, browsing, or scrolling through social media. Another great feature is the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The 5,000 mAh battery is one of the strongest selling points of the Zeno 10. The phone supports 10 watts wired charging. Moving on to performance, the Zeno 10 runs on Android 14 Go Edition, a lightweight version of Android designed for entry-level devices. It's powered by the Unisoc T6003 chipset, which is capable of handling daily tasks. For photography, the Zeno 10 features a single 8-megapixel rear camera, along with an auxiliary lens. While it doesn't compete with high-end cameras, it's decent for capturing moments in good lighting. For selfies, you get a 5-megapixel front camera, which works well for video calls and casual social media posts. The Itel Zeno 10 comes in 2 configurations, 64GB of internal storage with 3GB or 4GB of RAM. Additionally, it supports a micro SDXC card slot, allowing you to expand the storage further. Talking about connectivity, the Zeno 10 has a USB Type-C 2.0 port, 3.5mm headphone jack. However, there's no NFC support on this device, which is common in this price range. That's all for today's review. Let us know in the comments if you're considering buying the Itel Zeno 10. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Technical Chat number 1, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews. See you in the next one.